So I've decided to begin my next Buddha painting, and I'm going to do the laughing Buddha or the joyful Buddha, and it is my intention to just ground myself in that beautiful joy. So I'm painting over my Earth Vision Quest painting of last year. It already holds so much beautiful energy and intention and vibration. I personally feel that this is the ultimate acknowledgement of the painting is to turn it into a Buddha. So what better way to do this than the Buddha of joy and joyfulness. So the background is a Hamsa, and the swan was my symbol for last year, and always the swan tends to pop up for me. And then it was neurographic art technique, and all of these spheres were blessings and the general invocation of protection. So now this joyful Buddha going on top of it for me is a manifestation or an enlightenment of those very beautiful intentions. And then of course the year before that, this was also earth painting, and all of the dreams and visions for my life is layered in that layer. So I'm just painting here on a layer 1, my freedom layer, and just gently merging the background with what is to happen on the foreground, so that there's a bit of harmony through repetition and pattern and choices of color. So I'm not done yet. I'm literally just starting to break in this canvas. So I thought I wanted to share this moment with you as I begin my beautiful, joyful Buddha on this very special canvas. So keep posted, and I will definitely be sharing more with you very soon. This is Gideonslight signing out. Bye bye.